Hello everybody, and today we're going to have a look at another penthouse that is up for sale in a wonderful residency located here in Puerto Bahia. Recently we had a look at some units here, and this specific penthouse has 2 stories and 3,584 square feet. It also has an elevator. I arrived here on the elevator. So now I'm gonna enter the penthouse and let's have a closer look. Now this specific penthouse has a different interior decor and design, a little less knickknacks and all that type of stuff, but it is well done. You can see the design, it's well thought out, very minimalistic. So here we have an ideal, just perfect Venetian plaster. And you can see the flows and the plaster in the walls. Gives off this shine, plus look at the height of the ceiling. I mean, you enter this penthouse and you feel as if you are in a house. Here we also have the chandelier, plus the atmosphere here is just, I can't describe it in words. It's just wonderful. And also have a look at the beautiful and spectacular view that you have right here. Here we enter right into the terrace itself and just take in the view. Look how beautiful it is. Peaceful, just magnificent. Here now you have the inner court with the swimming pool, and there you have the neighboring corpus. This residency, we have a marina, we have a yachting club, plus the just beautiful and magnificent view. It's just fantastic. It's as if you're living in a fairy tale. And from this terrace, we can enter the bedroom. And this is the master bedroom. Here we have a little palm tree growing right on the terrace itself. And just look at the bedroom. Look at the bed itself. You are surrounded by windows on all sides. You get a lot of natural light in here. You have a beautiful view. It's just paradise. And let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big windows. Wait, 6, there's one behind my back right here. And just appreciate how much natural light there is in here. Have a look at the ceiling, at the lamp, at the design. In my opinion, this is the best luxury style available right here. I mean, just imagine here, let me help you imagine this. I'm gonna lay on this bed right here. You're laying in the bed. Here you're laying in the bed, relaxing and just taking in this beauty, this magnificent view. A view into the Gulf right there, into the bay. There you have the club and the flowers and everything. I mean, it's literally a fairy tale. You can't get any better than this. Let's keep on going and see what else we have here. Let's have a look at the bathroom. We have this kind of like circular bedroom. So we walk around here, go behind the wall, and here we have our bathroom. I think this is a very interesting, cool design. So right here we enter the hallway. And here, to our left, we have this big, massive, full bathroom. Everything is well done here. You can see, be the judge. Judge this design. It's magnificent. Can't get any better than this. Modern style, very modern layout. I'm trying to give you guys all the details, all the nitty-gritty details, so you can see for yourself and make your own judgments about this place. Of course, doing it by video isn't the best way. You have to see it in real life, but just marvel at this. It's as if you're not living in a 5-star hotel, but like a boutique, custom-made luxury hotel. I mean, this is a very rare opportunity to own a unit, apartment, condo, or penthouse in a 5-diamond rated hotel. Not a 5-star rated hotel, a 5-diamond rated star hotel. And here we have a small little walk-in closet. Each bedroom has one. Here you can store all your clothing, your towels, anything that you need. So no issues with that. So let's keep on going. So let's count off. We had 1 bedroom. Okay, now we go down the hallway. Here we have some storage space, a closet. This kind of reminds me of the previous apartments and units that I showed you guys. This is more of a pantry for your food stuff and canned food and other goods that you can store, edible goods. And right here on the bottom, we have a boiler to warm the water. Now let's go have a look at the other bedroom. Now this penthouse is so big, I really don't know where to go. Like I said, almost 3,600 square feet. Here we have another bedroom with its own walk-in closet. I'm not gonna really show you that much around here. Just each bedroom has its own walk-in closet and its own bathroom. We have a room right here. A lot of natural light in here. So here we have 2 twin beds. So this is more of like a kid's room. Here is the bathroom to this bedroom. Everything is well done. The best materials available were used to build this bathroom and the whole place in general. You have top-notch plumbing, your towels, your shower, everything is here. Also, this room has a little secret, a little surprise up its sleeve. So here, let's say you have some kids coming over and you're thinking, where am I gonna put these extra kids? Well, here you go. Here we walk up the stairs, and this space, this room, this bedroom is for your guest children, the children of your guests or whatnot, if your kids have friends over for a sleepover or whatever. So here you have also 2 twin beds. This is for, like I said, your kids, friends, or whatever. And it also has its own full bathroom, just like the one downstairs. Everything is here. Or you can use this bedroom as a guest bedroom. Here you have a television. And right here, you have your own little mini walk-in closet. So in this one bedroom, you actually get 2 bedrooms, 4 beds. So let's keep on going and keep on looking what we have here. This penthouse is pretty big. Like I said, it's almost like a house. And here we will have another bedroom that we're gonna have a look at. Here you have a bedroom with 2 beds. Here you have a big window, plus it's very quiet and very peaceful in here. And from the window you can see the inner court. Plus also right here you have a small walk-in closet. Of course, this bedroom comes with its own full bathroom. And I have to say that in this specific unit, in this penthouse, these are some of the best bathrooms that I've seen in a long while. These bathrooms are well done, to the T. You feel as if you really own this place and own life in general, like you're the big boss. Now I want to show you something else, and this is turning into a very long video. But there's a lot you gotta see here, guys. And if you really like my content, please hit the like button, subscribe, the notification bell, because I really try for you guys. I want you guys to see the best videos about the best real estate here. Now we're back into the main living room area. Now let's have a look at the kitchen. The owners really put in a lot of money into the interior design of this penthouse. Just look at it, guys. Look at the dining room area, the dining room table. By the way, look at this painting right here. Well, not painting, this framed coral. It's a very popular style of decoration here. The Dominican Republic, they harvest this coral, they dry it out, and they frame it like that. Here we have a stone-covered wall. Have a look at it. Put some candles right here. Have a candlelit dinner. And have a look at this big, massive mirror that's hanging on the wall. Very big, it's very heavy, and I can't just get enough of this dining room table. It is just beautiful. Nothing but the best. This is luxury, the epitome of luxury. I have to say so myself. Let's have a look at the kitchen. The kitchen is separate. So here we have a very big, modern, brand new refrigerator. And here we have a separate kitchen away from the living room area. You have everything that you need, all your appliances, plus a window. So plenty of space for a chef, a home cook, anybody. And right here, we have the laundry room. So you have all your washer, your dryer, and right here we have access to a storage space for like technical stuff. The spacious here, you have a dryer here, a washing machine, and all this stuff. And also right here, we have a view through the mosquito netting into the inner court, into the parking area. And you have some cupboards and some storage things here and there. So as you can see for yourselves, we just keep on walking and walking and walking. You literally can get lost in here. And last but not least, for like dessert, I want to show you one more part of this penthouse. Now, for those people that stay here that own this penthouse, I think this is a very important part of the penthouse for them. This is a special place where you can be on your own, meditate, get your thoughts in order, experience some peace and quiet, and maybe spend some time with your friends and your family. So here we're going up to the second floor, and if you remember, on the second floor we had the kids' bedroom, actually kid bedrooms, and here we have this. I don't really know how to call it. I wouldn't call this like a man cave. Maybe this could be like a reception area, a second parlor, a movie theater, a R&R room where you can rest and relax with your guests, your family. You can sit here, and look out, and you can look below. You have a view of everything that's going downstairs on. So, okay, now what do we have here? We have a plasma television right here. You have your chairs, you have your sofa, you have a magnificent refrigerator and cooling area for your liquor, for your wine. Little mini bar, if I do say so myself. You can store your wine, other alcohol. And in this mini refrigerator right here, you can store beer and other things here. And here right above us, we have all these wonderful alcoholic beverages. You got some rum, whiskey. And now let's have a look at some of the knickknacks that are on the shelves right here. Really like all these seashells and all these vases in a Dominican style. I mean, just take it in. It's just beautiful. I don't know how else to describe it. I know I've used this word a lot in this video, but still. And here we also have another storage room for all our liquor, our cellar, you might say so. So you can store all your alcohol beverages, your glasses and whatnot in that storage area. And here, by the way, we also have another full bathroom right here, so you don't have to go downstairs or anything. And now for the cherry on top to finish this video off, right here on the roof of the penthouse, we have a barbecuing zone right here. Here you have tiling, so be safe, nothing gets splattered, nothing will get burned. You have a barbecue or grill right here, Weber, very good brand. Here you have a sink, countertop, you can work with your meat, you can marinate it. And here, as we go up here to our side, we have another rest and relax zone. Here we have a open terrace for evening hangouts. Here you can sit and enjoy, some steaks with your friends, have a wonderful view. You can also lay out here in the sun, sunbathe, suntan, and just look at the view you have right here, guys. I mean, it's picture perfect. You can't get any better than this. I mean, it's paradise on earth. You're living here on Paradise Plus with this magnificent view. Also, I would like for you guys to have a look at this jacuzzi that we have right here. And lay here with a glass of champagne and enjoy the evening view, the sunset. And let me get up here and guys, just look at the view. You have a 180-degree view of the Gulf of Samana right in front of you guys. Sometimes when it's whale season, you can see some humpback whales swim through here from a distance. So now let's talk about the numbers. So this penthouse with 3,584 square feet that has 2 floors, 2 stories, and a lot of rooms and a lot of space, 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, will cost you $550,000 US dollars, or 3,600 square feet roughly. I think, in my personal opinion, I think that this is a wonderful deal. This is a very good option, especially considering all the things you're getting with this penthouse, the interior design, the luxury level that this property is on, and with this magnificent view. If you put this property in another country with this type of view, I'd be darned if you find it for less than $1 million. And as a bonus, the owner of this penthouse owns a parking spot for his yacht. So if you're planning on buying a yacht or you already have one, you already have a place to park it. If you don't have a yacht or you don't want a yacht, you can rent out this spot easily for $1,000 a month. Don't worry, you'll have a lot of potential rentees because this is a hot spot. A lot of people like going here yachting. So spots here are very hard to come by and people are willing to pay the money to get themselves a spot. Plus, you have a lot of rich Dominicans who come here. They like to vacation here, enjoy their peace and their quiet, and they also are big yachting fans. So there are a lot of potential customers to rent out that potential yacht space that you'll have if you buy this penthouse. So a potential small revenue stream of passive income, to pay off your utilities, because utilities for this specific property are gonna be pretty high. So this was the penthouse. You've seen everything, and I would just like for you guys to just take in this view one more last time and just marvel at it. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.